Hello, I'm Lutz May and the Technical Director of Torque & More. And I will give you some pointers about how to get the most out of the Active-3 torque sensor kit. The non-contact Active-3 sensors can be used on any ferromagnetic materials. Best measurement performances will be achieved when using avionic steels or steels with nickel and chrome content. Our Epm Handheld Sensor will help you to find out if the drive shaft in your application meets the minimum requirements. The test object or the drive shaft from which you want to take measurements can be of any size, can be hollow or solid, and can rotate at any speed. Be aware that you need special sensing modules for objects that have a diameter of less than 5 mm. The Active-3 comes in two parts, the sensing module and the sensor electronic. The sensing module will be placed nearest to the location from where you want to take torque, bending or axle load measurements. Be aware that you need two sensing modules when you want to differentiate between bending and axle load forces. The ideal distance or air gap for the sensing module to the drive shaft is 0.5 mm to 1 mm. The largest air gap to take measurements is 3 mm. When you want accurate measurement with the lowest possible latency time, then you have to make sure that the air gap between the sensing module and the drive shaft will not change while measurements are taken. When the air gap changes while measurements are taken, then this will affect the offset in the output signal. The E3 sensor system will work immediately after you connect it to the provided DC power supply module. There are no on-off switches to help preventing an accidental interruption of your measurement activities. After you have placed the sensing module from the A3P or the A3M kit at a new measurement location, you have to initialize the sensor system. To do so, ensure that the drive shaft is not moving and that there are no torque forces acting on the shaft. Now, press the push button at the sensor electronic for 3 seconds or press the button Initialize at the PC dashboard software. Note that a short click onto the push button will change the offset of the analog output signal to 2.5 volt. When you use the A3 Lite, then all the gain and offset settings are done by using the 3 push buttons provided at the sensor electronic. You will not need to initialize the A3 Lite to take your first measurements. Have a look at other video messages to get more information about our Active-3 sensor kits. Our sensor kits enable you to take measurements the easy and the fast way.